The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Fellas, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday, April 8th. Very good morning, guys. Hope you all had a great afternoon and evening. We are back at it. James, good morning. And these markets, today find a bid. Crazy. On the ES, guys, if we come below about 26, 25 area, we're doomed on the ES. Currently, we've got 177 sellers, net sellers overnight in gold. And looking at crude, we've got small sellers, 473. It is crude inventory day. About 1,100 net sellers right now in the ES, and the NASDAQ has 1,300 buyers. So we kind of have a mixed bag. There are sellers right now in silver as well. Once again, it is crude inventory day. I doubt we have much. The API data from yesterday came in at a surplus of about 12 million barrels. Nothing. Mortgage applications at 7, which I thought I saw were down about 28%. Down 19.4%. So call it 20%-ish. We're currently bid. NASDAQ's got a whole mess all the way from here, all the way through 81.75. So we'll see what we get. Remember, tomorrow is the last trade day of the week. Friday is Good Friday, so the markets will be closed. And if I have anybody here on trial, good morning and welcome. Welcome back. I will quickly read our disclaimer. And we'll go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. We're good to go, guys. But this is a live trade. This is my live account. This is the bot. we're going to have a hard time getting to that first target at 84.8. Now here is there's the 3 minute. No, I am long. The 3 minute is in a sim trade. The 377 is in a live trade. Okay? That's a live trade. That's a live account. There it is.
Target filled.
Target filled. Okay. I don't know why that didn't go break even. Break even's on. Yeah, it is, Jeffrey. It is. But it's my account. That was its first trade after 8. James. That was the first trade, right? That was on. I don't know why it didn't go, but thank you, Jacques. I mean, it's damn. There we go, fellas. Both targets hit, guys. Both targets hit. Okay? That was a live trade, guys. Right? So we've talked about this. And again, we owe it to one of our members who really is the one that came up with this. These first trades, whatever time it is, after 8 a.m., regardless of the time, in this case it was 8:35, regardless of the time, are high probability trades. I think it's had one losing trade in the last 17, 18, 19 days, whatever it's been. Okay? Here is gold on the 3 minute. Now this is a sim trade. Yesterday it was up 2,600. Today it's already up 1,280. First trade. So this gold has been pretty special. Okay? Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Learn and trade order flow. I teach that vis-a-vis my mentorship program. That's the only program. If you're looking for the bot, to trade robotic, then here you go. Here's your robot trades. Okay, so here are 2 trades. Okay, understood. So order flow, the trades that you've heard me calling out are order flow trades. Okay, and early on, you may not have been in the room at that point, but early on, I was showing the order flow and explaining the gold trade. I do teach order flow, and I teach that, as I said, currently underneath my mentorship program. And I'll send you a follow-up email today. That NASDAQ is coming as well. There's NASDAQ. Dang it, I missed another short on RB. RB's coming down to 65.30 and then 64.75. But again, guys, it is inventory. I'll wait until after inventory. coming to that 59. There's first target filled on the ES, guys, on the bot. First target filled. We got our 59. We could push down to 53 and then 47. So the bot has gone break even plus 1. The NASDAQ has not gotten a target yet on the bot. Once it does, 32 handles, we'll have break even plus 1. NASDAQ should make it down to 51, below that 38, 20, and then 24. There comes first target. Russell is also short on the 3-minute. I don't pay much attention to the Russell. Come on, NASDAQ, get that sucker. There's first target. There's first target. NASDAQ. 32 handles on the NASDAQ, 7.5 on the ES. RB got slaughtered. $47, we should get a bounce. Just fired short just now. Todd? So we got first targets on the ES and the NQ. We'll see what happens. We have not gotten target on Russell. The bot. There's bonds. Crude inventories in about 7 minutes, guys. Bonds are just sitting here doing nothing. Guys, I have nothing. I mean, I really have nothing. ES is in a gridlock. If I had to take... Yeah, gold. Oh, damn it. I had my bot off on the 3 minute. Another winning trade on gold. Yep. Here's gold. Another winning trade. 35 and 59 ticks.
Order filled.
If ES can dip below 66, it'll come down to 62, below 66. Let's see what crude's looking for, fellas. Plus 9. That's as big as I've ever seen. Plus 9.5 and plus 5. We're just sitting, fellas. I mean, we're just completely dead everywhere. Bonds are getting a bid. ES below 66 should come to 64. And then potentially, 62. Bonds got first target, guys, on the bot. First target's off. It's at break even plus 1. And here comes second target. Well, a couple ticks shy of second target.
Order filled.
Here's crude on the 3 minute. You hit your daily goal. Nice job, Ray. Good job. Guys, the indices for me are, watch for a break here for another short on RB. It's in shorts. I mean, you can short it here, but your stop has to be up at 64.36. It's a short, but your stop is 64.36. See if crude can get to a target. ES is still in that long. It's pulled back, but it hasn't done anything. Let me take a look at gold. Nothing. I have nothing in gold. The 377 is trying to go long. Anybody take RB? Anybody take RB? I'll give you stops and targets now. Anybody take it? Nobody took it. All right, guys, if we break 81.50, we start working to 88.
Order filled.
That's done. I closed it and shut it off. Bonds up 562.50 today. That's done for the day. ES going to target. We should make it to 88, 89, 87, 88. Should get that first target. Starting to get a bounce up on this RB. I'd need a bounce. Boy, I'd like to see 65.80 and then a flip. Just missed first target. 86.25. Missed by a tick. 1 tick. First target. NASDAQ's into a whole lot of noise too up here.
Order filled.
All right, that's done for the day. It's 11 o'clock, up 1737. That's done. Done and done. I shut silver off. No trades on silver. I've shut the ES off. Up 920. I've shut gold off. Up 1280 on the bot. Crude is still in this trade. A couple ticks underwater. I'll leave that on. ZB up 562.50. And currently, my 2 live accounts are, hang on guys, I'll give you my live accounts. That's my account, personal account, up 562.40. And the leader follower currently 370. So combined 900 and change. Look at this delta divergence down here on RB. Let me see it on a 2-minute. It works better on a 2-minute RB. Let's take a look at it on a 2-minute. Yep. Look at that. It's right here. Guys, I'm not, not looking at it. So. Pretty nice. Take a look at the ES. I'm waiting for it to roll over up here. It could go a little bit higher. Watch this breakout.